Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an essential guide on how to change your password on Roblox. Keeping your account secure is super important, so let's get started with the updated steps to make this process quick and easy. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. You should see the familiar interface ready for you to explore. Next, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give that a gentle tap to open up the menu. This is where all the important settings are tucked away. Once the menu pops up, select Settings. This is your gateway to managing your account details. Now, within the Settings menu, go ahead and tap Account Info. Here, you'll find various options related to your account, including the option to change your password. Looking for the password? You're almost there. Tap the pencil icon next to Password. This will allow you to enter your current password and set up a new one. You'll need to enter your current password first. Once you've done that, it's time to create your new password. Be sure to enter it twice for confirmation to avoid any typos. Finally, to save your new password, simply tap Update. And just like that, your password is changed, keeping your Roblox account safe and secure. That wraps up our step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox.